recording. Okay, so let's get started. Right. So this register, I want to identify that register, get the register link. Then you can write it here. So I can write the same way here, right? You can write same way. So this is the same private string.
మా ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళు కూడా చికెన్ ఏదైనా సండే చేసి 1 week తింటారు వాళ్ళు.
Register link. You can just put that a colon.
కుకింగ్ చేయకముందు డేట్ వేరు, ఆఫ్టర్ కుకింగ్ డేట్ వేరు ముఖేష్. మటన్ అది వేరు బిజినెస్. మన ఇంట్లో హోమ్ మేడ్ ఫుడ్ కదా, ఫ్రిడ్జ్ లో పెట్టుకుంటే ఏం కాదు, వేడి.
So okay, so the register link you have to identify like this, and we can so write the same function, navigate to the same way, this like this. So I'll develop the same way. Okay, so navigate to register page. Register page. So here you can just call that register link. Register link. So, but we have to write here one more page, registration page. Register page. Okay. So this page is not there, but we'll create this page. Don't worry, we'll create now. So let's go and create this page, and so later we can come back. Create a register page. Create class. So I'm creating a class, and so that so you won't get any issues. So create a constructor also there. Okay, done. So we will develop this later. So as of now, this one is ready. This one also ready. So you are clicking the my account link, navigating to register page. So this method returns a register page object. Okay. So that's a home page is ready. Now home page is ready. Login page also ready. So login page, anything you want to improve, let's see that. What can we improve? So this section is missing. We can add this section also. So, and also forget password, navigating to forget password, you can add. So that also will add. So login is done. So maybe these things you can add. So navigating to register page from login page. Yeah, you have to test everything, right? So that's why we have to add this one also. So let's go and add that. So login page also. So we'll add a login page also. How we can so improve that little bit. Whatever is missing, we can add that. Whatever is missing, we can add that. So all the missing elements we can add one by one. Still, I think no, in Selenium I explained all these things. Same thing I'm reusing here. So other than that, nothing. So you can add more methods if you want. So more elements you can add. Otherwise, so this is also fine. So whatever you have now, that is also fine. Then what elements we have here now? The login page. So email edit box, right? Password edit box, and then we have a login button. But logout we can separate it, but fine. So my account menu also. Anyhow, I'm going to move my account. So my account page. So my account page, a lot of testing is required. A lot of pages we need to add. So there I will add that my account page separately. So this I have to move this. So how Selenium we did, same way we will do here also. So there is no new things required, and we can follow the same structure. Okay. So let me write a login that register page navigation. Register page navigation will do that. And also navigating to forget password page also will write something. Okay. So first identify this header. Okay. So identify the header. New customer header. So you see this? You can start from here. And you can start from here always. So otherwise from here. Breadcrumb we don't want. So want need. So just you can start from. So new customer. This you can write a text, right? You can write a text or XPath, whatever it is. So whatever. So it's not a tag, but you can write XPath. So let's write a XPath for this. We know already. So I'll just write private string. So new customer header. New customer header. So equal to, and just write. So just write the element. Yes, whatever the element you want, you just write that. So I want to write a XPath. So double forward slash h2 square bracket. So I can use a normalize hyphen space. So text function you already know. This one we are using very less. Let me use normalize hyphen space equal to the text. Okay. So this is the one element. So the next thing you can do, the button, right? The continue button. The continue button. So let's take new customer continue button. So you can take this class, BTN primary. You can take that. That's fine. So we'll take this. So write the XPath. So new customer continue button. So double forward slash a square bracket at the rate class equal to class value. New customer continue button. So new customer continue button. And then, so this header also, if you want to take it. So returning customer header. But we have to check because text also, right? That's why I'm just writing. So each thing you have to check. So that's a mandatory. So otherwise, how do you know this text is present? Heading suddenly misses. So we cannot check every time, right? So if any changes happens also, we'll come to So better to write returning customer header equal to, and we can write a similar XPath there. So double forward slash h2 square bracket. So you can write, and you can use a normalized space again. Same way how we have written for above one. Normalize hyphen space. So this is how you can write a another element XPath, and also write forget password link also. Forget password link. So, and you can just identify forget password link. So with a text contains, right, something. So you already identified this. You can just write. So how we have identified here, somewhere in the a text contains a colon text. So this is another way. Simple. Okay. So already we have identified here, right? See that a text register. The same approach. So we have done here also. Now you can check. So even you can check this breadcrumb also. This breadcrumb is available or. So how can you check that breadcrumb? So we have to write proper XPath. See that this one. See it starts from here. UL breadcrumb. Otherwise you can start from here. Div ID UL and then LI of 3A. Right? LI of 3A. And you can write a login if you want this login. Okay. So this is how you can check. So how you are navigating all this. So the breadcrumb, right? Login breadcrumb. So let's write a login breadcrumb. So private string login breadcrumb. So now, so write the XPath, double forward slash. It's up to you from where you want to start, right? I already shown the path. So either you can use this one, you can start from here, UL onwards. UL at the rate class, the class value. And then you have so double forward slash. You can put a also directly. I'm skipping all this. Directly I'm writing this. So if you skip, you have to put a double forward slash in the XPath. So we already know this. And then you can put a normalize hyphen space or a text. So simply you can write a text. So I can just put this. So that's the easiest one, right? These are WebDriver. So the Playwright syntaxes. This one is a Playwright syntax. So this you don't have in the WebDriver. So remember that. Okay, so we are done. And you want to click on this icon. So this icon, this home icon, you can identify that also. So simple FA. So this you can use. So login home icon. Okay, so let me write // square bracket @class equal to this is the one. Okay. So yeah, so we are done with all the elements. These two elements I'll remove and I will use it later. Maybe we can create another two more. Otherwise, you can keep it there only. So we have written already do login, is logout link visible. So this all I need to move it to my account page. This is my account page. I'm going to create a my account page later. Okay, so now let's write clicking on this home icon. I'll write one by one method. So public. So it doesn't return anything. So void I'm writing. So click home icon, login home icon. Or you can say navigate to home page. Simple. Navigate to home page from login. Whatever it is, if you want meaningful method name, you can give. Simple. Log.info. So did we create a logger here? We didn't create a logger. So you have to create a logger. So private logger log equal to log manager dot get logger. So you have to create a get logger method. In the logger method, you just give the class name. Login page. Dot class. Simple. You can just take Apache login, this one. Okay. So log.info. So just simply say click on login home icon breadcrumb. Just call this and page dot locator. That is the one dot click. Done. Okay. So this is the one method. And I'm going to do all the, so what are the elements you added, that elements are present or not, I need to check, right? So you can write even, so you're navigating to the forget password page. Those methods also we can write. Let's check these exist or not. These are exist or not. So click on continue button, navigate to register page. That is the one we have to write. Navigate to forget password page. This is another one you have to write. So first check this. So this new customer header exists, right? So all Boolean methods, right? These are all Boolean methods. I'll just write. So public. So Boolean. This header exists. So you can just write simply return page dot locator that element dot is visible. That's it. Same you repeat for other. That is next one is this one, returning customer header. So this one, returning customer header exists. That's it, simple. Okay. And then if you want to verify the breadcrumb exists or not, login breadcrumb. So this also you can use it. DN from exist. So it simply checks that easy way, right? So very easy way. Say as it is, and just change login breadcrumb. Okay, so done. Now, so what is the extra method you have to write here? So now we get to public. So void navigate to register page. So now we get to register page. And I can just simply say that. Click on continue button in login page. That's the section. So meaningful statements you write so that it is easy for you while debugging. So locator and what is that? Customer continue button. Click. Okay, so same way, navigate to forget password page. So click on forget password link. Okay. So that's all the methods we developed, almost all the methods. So navigating to forget password page, returning customer, and everything covered. Yeah, perfect. So now login page is ready. Home page is ready. So products page is ready. So register page, and also I want to develop my account page, right? So my account page we need to develop. So my account page means where, for example, if you log in, right? If you log in, so this is the my account page. Even you can search the product from here also. So generally I did a code Selenium. After login, I'm doing a search. Then I'm going to search results page. Then you can get the product details there. So you can get this, right? So this is the same we did. So you can use that methods here if you. So this is basically a search result. Okay, this is a search page. So this is the search page, and we can so try that search page. my account page will write. So let's write my account page. So see here, my account page, you have so many things, right? You can see here under, when you click on this, so you'll get a lot of options. You verify all these options are present here, but you have to store these elements in the somewhere, right? So your expected and actual value, you have to get both of them while comparing. So this is one thing. And also, if you go back, so if you go back and you will reach, sometimes it's working. Yeah, this is the home page. Yeah, this is the home page. So home page, you are doing a search. That's what. Details page, if you can go here. So details page also you can go. Otherwise you can go here. My account page, you can go, yeah. So this is what I want to write. So my account page, how many links are there? My address, how many links are there? You can get all of them. So this is one of the test case you can do. My account page also with one of the test cases. So let's add, first let's do the register page. Tomorrow we'll do my account page because my account page is very big one. And I don't know how much time we have here. Okay, still we have a time. So we can do that. So the register page, we can finish that. So what are that? Let's go to, I'll log out. So then you can easily, this logout, also we need to add this message and this one, and also this continue button. Then you will log out, right? So let's log out. So register, first this register account you identify, the login page, navigate to login page from registration, and all these elements you need to identify. So one by one element you can identify. The first name, edit books, last name, email, telephone, and password. Subscribe, yes or no, and privacy policy checkbox and continue buttons. So this is very simple and lot of, so the customization happened here. Otherwise, previously we used to select the address details, so many, but those address details completely removed. Fine. So let's identify this register account header. See that H1 tag. You can put so hash content H1. That is also simple, right? So I'll write a register account. So let's declare first private page. So private extend test. So even private logger log equal to log manager dot get logger. So we can define these loggers and import this logger class also from this one. So just add this dot class. So basically this will take only this class loggers. So that's what this is doing. And you can do that. So this dot p is equal to so this dot extend test equal to extend test. Okay. Yeah. So this is the constructor. So even the locator also you can identify in the constructor also. That is another way you can use them outside. For initialization, you can do that also. But fine, we can try this also. This is also one of the way. What is the first element we decided? Private string. So first element is register account header. So register account. So header. Register account header. So how can you register? So register account header. So we can just identify, as I mentioned, hash content. So h1. So you can check this whether it is working or. See that? It's good. We are good. Now login page link. Let's say simple, you can write login page link. So private string login page link equal to, so a text. So just give the text. Private string. So one by one elements. First name edit box. So you have a name and ID. So I'll just take ID quickly. First name edit box. So equal to ID equal to ID value. So private string last name edit box. You can take this name also, name equal to and then, so what else? So identify all the elements. Maybe take up this exercise and finish it so that it will help you. So email. So I can take up even by placeholder also you can do that. So input email, I'm just taking input email. Email edit box. So hash anywhere. And then so telephone. So telephone edit box. That's it. So password edit box. Password confirm password. I can say confirm password. So confirm password. So simply you can write. Yeah. So confirm password. And then, so subscribe radio button, you can just take subscribe radio buttons. Yes. Based on value, you can define this, but otherwise it's difficult. So based on value, you can differentiate that. So value 1 and what about this? Value 0, I think. Value 0. So based on this, you can write a XPath. So I'll write a XPath. Subscribe yes radio button. Private string subscribe yes radio button. So input square bracket. So value equal to 1. No radio button. So value 0. That's it. And then, so you can write one more. Privacy policy checkbox. So you can say name agree. I can just put name agree. Name equal to agree. Privacy policy checkbox. Last continue button. So we can use a type and values continue slash input. So value, right? So value equal to continue. So this is the continue button. So this is how you can identify all the elements, and then we can build methods for this one by one. So maybe personal details one, fill the personal details. Or you can generate the setters and getters also if you want. So generally we did like that. You can generate a setters and getters for all these methods, right? Wherever fill till here. You can select them, right click, source, getters and setters. So automatically you can select all the getters and setters. Select all, you can remove the continue button. So subscribe, register account header, privacy checkbox. So this also not required. Is log extend test. So only the